This is how you can make even more money investing in crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, the crypto space offers a ton of different opportunities to make money. You can day trade, you can margin trade, you can invest in meme coins, you can invest in low cap gems, you can invest in NFTs. There's literally an infinite amount of ways to make money in the crypto space. In this video, I will share with you one simple strategy that can help you make even more money. As you guys know, the crypto market hasn't been doing very well over the last 2 months. Bitcoin is barely staying above 40,000. Ethereum is barely hanging on to 3,000. And pretty much all the other altcoins are going down as well. But I firmly believe that the bull market is definitely not over. And I think 2022 is going to be a huge year for crypto. I just believe over the next month or so, we're going to experience a lot more corrections and we're going to be in this flat area where we are just stagnant for a while. This is going to be a very long consolidation before we start pumping once again. And I believe come springtime, early summer, we are going to have another massive rally in the crypto space. Until then, the market is definitely going to be rocky, so I'm definitely taking profits wherever I can. And now let me share this simple strategy. This strategy works with real estate, with stocks, and with crypto. And you have probably heard it plenty of times before, and it is to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Especially right now when the entire crypto market is completely flat. This strategy is very simple, but it is so hard to implement. Let's take a look at Cardano, for example. Over the last month or so, everyone on TikTok and on YouTube was bashing Cardano, saying how it is a stable coin, saying how it's completely flat, it's not moving, it's not doing anything, this and that. Everyone was talking trash about Cardano. And a lot of the masses started believing the FUD and they ended up selling their Cardano positions. Some people took major losses, some people broke even, but the masses were definitely exiting Cardano. But if you did the total opposite, check out Cardano right now. It is up over 30% this week. And in my opinion, it is still going to continue to climb even higher. Cardano has finally awoken once again. Don't get me wrong, Cardano is definitely not the best project out there, but I definitely like the project and I definitely hold a nice size moon bag in Cardano. But if you just did the total opposite of what the masses were doing with Cardano, you would be sitting on some nice profits right now. That is just one example. There's literally an infinite amount of examples where you would have made a lot more money simply doing the opposite of what the masses were doing. Just take a look at the entire crypto market over the last 3 months. A lot of influencers, TikTokers, YouTubers, a lot of the masses were still FOMOing into crypto. And everyone was saying, we're going higher. This is just a small correction. We're going to higher to the moon, to this. Literally everyone was still FOMOing in. But if you did the total opposite and you sold 3 months ago, you would definitely be sitting in a better position right now. Don't get me wrong. You could have sold 3 months ago and now the prices would be even higher. It is very difficult to predict what will happen next in the crypto space. But when there's a lot of FOMO, when everyone was rushing in, you got to take a step back and be like, nah, I gotta do the total opposite. It is very difficult to go against the masses, especially when you invest in a project and then that project doesn't do much. It remains flat for multiple weeks or multiple months. And then you're just sitting back, holding on to your bags while everything else is skyrocketing. And you're like, man, let me sell this and let me jump on one of these projects that are going to the moon. Right after you sell, a week or two later, that project starts pumping. And then you miss out on even more gains simply because you were following the masses and you were FOMOing into all these new trends and all these new projects. It is very beneficial to go against the masses when the market is flat or when the market is trending downwards. When everybody's FOMOing in, you gotta be FOMOing out. But in my opinion, right now is the best time to start dollar cost averaging into your favorite projects. 2022, in my opinion, is going to be a very good year for crypto. A lot of adoption, a lot of new development is going to drive the market even higher. But these big corrections, these big downward trends are going to take a lot of people out. When they're leaving, we're jumping back in. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below a time that you went against the masses and made a good amount of money. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.